get the right kind of implements what has been used for ragi cultivation, and this has been done from WSAG and FPOs. We certainly promote what I said, that we promote the indigenous varieties and focus that what we have, the Odisha Millet Mission has, that it was mainly focused on consumption part, and in that sense we also bring some awareness, we bring some festivals. Again, the varieties, even if I see and go to the field, we can see the people who have forgotten the recipes, they come out with that new recipes, so it becomes very interesting, so that everyone knows that how is it prepared and how we can take that. If you see the productive, the focus on the promoting practices is not that the farmers who does only organic farming or natural farming will include it, but it is not that. But even if the farmers does any uses any chemicals also, he has been included in these projects, so that no farmer is left over. And as we see, we have been working with a lot of NGO partners. We have NGOs in every block. We select them through the UI process, again selecting around how they work, what is the intervention in that area, whether they have been working with the SHG group, everything we mark. We have some regular process from the district level to the block level. We involve everyone, even if we involved the district collector in that for selecting the right NGOs for working. In part of that, we also promote the community-based organizations to implement. These are the activities what you see. We mostly give more focus on training part. Maybe in the initial days when we started, it was very difficult, as you know that how that yield has increased so much. But taking part from training part, again going to the community-based nursery, and as we follow in ragi. So if we focus on one farmer, and if he does the different ragi nursery, so it becomes difficult to manage. But if you see the community nursing, this has very good one, and we have implemented most of the project what we have done with SMI only, and also we have focused on line sowing and line transplanting. And I have done a lot of projects in this millet sector, where I find that weeds is the common problem, and where most of the women farmers give more time in weeding. We introduce cycle weeder that becomes easy for them, and so that the labor and also drudgery is reduced. If you see these numbers, I think you can see how the system, as we developed the system, and the systems is working for us. 2017 we started with, and also the numbers of farmers, we started with 8,000 farmers, and now we were working with 1,18,297 farmers. The research part, what I said, it is done by NCDS, and if you see the after implementation of Odisha Millet Mission, there has been seen that there is a rise in the productivity and also the coverage of ragi or millets in that area. If you see these are the part where the NCDS does. Again, if you see the millet production, it has increased. In 2016 we have been getting 5.79 as per 2000 data, but 2017 the yield has increased. We see 119.8%